Hey again, it's Tech Tip Tuesday, and I have something great for you. If you have not been introduced to flippity.net, you are missing out. Flippity.net is a wonderful application that is internet-based. It works beautifully with Google, and it is something that you can use in any subject area for almost any grade level. I would say it'd be a little hard for the younger grades because you do have to have some reading skill in order to participate in Flippity activities. So if you will look at the screen, you can see all of the options that are available. Flippity has a flashcard feature, quiz show, typing test, a random name picker. We know randomization is really big right now in the classroom. A badge tracker, Flippity spelling words, crossword puzzle, and word search. Now these two, I'm not going to lie, I'm a little disappointed in because they are not interactive. They do create a printable. Bingo, Hangman, a progress indicator that takes a Google spreadsheet and turns it into kind of a graphable visualization for students. A memory game. Mad Libs, which is awesome. If you're a kid from the 80s, you totally remember Mad Libs, and I'll show you that in just a second. And then this really cool mix and match feature. If we scroll down to the bottom, we can do a tournament bracket, which is great for librarians who are doing the book, March Book Madness. You can create certificates. And then there's an add-on that you can add into your Google extension bar. So let me just show you a couple of quick features. Again, any grade level. You could use this in whole group. You could use this in small group. If you created a quiz show, you could use it for students to study with small groups with each other. You can use the name randomizer in tutorials or in whole classes. The badge tracker could be done independently among students. And then of course you have some things that could be done independently or in groups, like your flashcards, your hangman, and your memory game. Bingo could also be used in small group or large group situations. So let's look at Flippity Quiz Show. If you look at just the demo section, it's pretty cool. So you can type in all of this. It's all editable. You don't have to change the format yourself. You just type in your information. You can change the number of teams. You can have 4 teams. You can make it smaller. You could have 3 teams, 2 teams, or you could add another team. As you answer the questions, it grays out the boxes and it tells you, yay, you got that right, good job. No, you got that wrong. It's pretty awesome. The Mad Libs is pretty cool, and so I think of all different kinds of things you can use for the Mad Libs, especially when you're teaching parts of speech. So whenever you look at the Mad Libs demo, you could just pick one, let's say the trip, and it asks you a name, a place, a plural noun. So the students have to go in here and they have to enter that information, and then just like the old school Mad Libs, it takes their answers and inputs it into the Mad Lib, and then they get to read it, and they're learning nouns and adjectives without even realizing that they're learning something. And then if you look over here, you could create your own flashcards. But what I really like is this badge tracker. So on the badge tracker, this is really kind of a popular thing, badging. You can create your own badges right here, and you could have your class list. Let's say we wanted to do the Blue Bonnet list or the 2x2 list. And you could have a badge for each one of those books, and the students could track their badges as they read the books and pass whatever test you have, or fill out whatever paper they need to fill out to prove that they've read the book. So Flippity.net is absolutely free. It integrates with Google. It's very simple to use. The templates that they give you to fill in are self-explanatory. It does not take a lot of technical skill. Pretty much anyone could do it. I hope you enjoy it.